Melody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe. Today's video is going to be on unboxing my Dior Oblique sneakers. And I actually have been wanting these sneakers for so long. I'm pretty sure I saw this on Instagram first and I was like completely obsessed, and I thought it was like the cutest shoes ever because I love Converse and I feel like these Dior B23 Oblique sneakers, high tops, are like the bougie Converse. Pretty much, but I think the look of it is so cute and all the little details and like the canvas and everything is just like so pretty. So I finally pulled the plug and bought these sneakers. Actually, me and Justin both got these sneakers because we liked it so much. We've become like one of those couples. I think this is our... Actually, we do have similar sneakers with each other, but I think this is our first like high-end, I guess, sneaker, if you want to call it. Kilo is playing in the room with me. I changed my location or my background again because this is like our shoe area, so I thought this would like fit the video. If you guys hear like little ding ding dings, it's because Kilo's in the back of my camera like playing with his toy, and he won't leave me because he's like a stage 5 clinger, so he's just gonna be here with us. So why don't I just open it up and show you guys. It came like this. We actually went to Rodeo to get this because I think this was my first time that I ever bought something like on Rodeo. Super cute. I love the navy blue. So it came in this box. Very high quality box. Yeah, I love the navy color and like the silver here. I think it's really chic. And Kilo's gonna come sniff everything. Go get it, Kilo. So let's just open this box up. I feel like this is like an ASMR video because there's like there's about to be so much noise. So it came with extra shoelaces and this really pretty dust bag. It says Dior on it. Save that for later. Here comes the opening of the tissue paper, and it's like ASMR. Here it is. It's so cute. And I was actually debating on this color or the white one, and I actually am obsessed with the white one. I think it's so pretty, and that one's just like, I love the canvas on it. But I was also thinking like, okay, if I wore the white ones, you probably can't really tell that it's Dior because you can't really see like the print and everything. So I decided to go with these ones, but I really like those too. Kilo, you stay in or you're out. You wanna go outside? You guys hear his scratches. Are you gonna go outside? But yeah, anyways, they look like this. It's a really pretty mesh material right here. White laces, little Dior, what's this called, logo right here. You can feel this, it's like so smooth. Yeah, I love this, and I love the little like off balance of the black and the two-tone, of the black and the white, and there's also like cream right here. Oh, another thing, I finally did my nails. If you guys want to see, so I could show you guys in this video. ASMR tapping. Let's take this out. And I got a size 37 in these because I'm a true 36.5. But I hear that these sneakers, like, they don't stretch, and they do give you blisters, so watch out for that if you're gonna get it. I haven't worn it outside yet, so I haven't like worn it for a really long time. But I always hear from like other people that these shoes do give you blisters, especially like right here. It'll like hurt your ankle. So beware on that. Maybe like wear thicker socks when you wear this, or like at least try to like stretch it out if possible, and like wear a thicker sock. Maybe like if you haven't worn it yet, like maybe wear it around the house just to like get your foot shape, I guess, into the shoe. So I got a 37. I'm usually a 36.5, and it fit pretty good. Like I tried on the 36.5 and it was like just right. But because I hear that it could be a little like tight and like doesn't stretch, I got a little bigger size, like just in case. But this is made in Italy. Inside you can see it says Dior, made in Italy right there with your size. I don't know if this is blurry. But yeah, it says your size right here. Show this again in case you missed it. Yeah, I think these shoes are so cute. You can wear it skinny jeans, sweatpants, like literally anything. And I love Converse, so this is like definitely my type of shoe. And this cost me, how much was this? I think this was like $1,100 without tax, and then with tax it was around 12 something. Definitely an investment because this is like such an expensive shoe. So I definitely will have to take care of it, but I'm so glad that I got it and I can add it to my shoe collection back here. But I'll probably have it like on this shelf just so you can see it. Like, look how cute this looks, just like sitting there. I'm super happy about this, and this is called Dior B23 Oblique High Top Sneakers. They have low tops as well, but I really like high top shoes. I think they're like so cute. And you can see right here, there's another layer of just like matted material. Oh, another thing I wanted to say is these are technically men's shoes. So you're not going to find this in the women's store, but they do make this in women's sizes, which is really nice. So definitely go check that out. Check out the men's store if you guys want these. Oh, this is called transparent paneling is what it says on the website, transparent paneling. So if you get it dirty, I feel like it'll be really easy to clean off. I will definitely try not to get these dirty because it's so expensive. So I gotta like take care of it. Oh, and here's the other pair if you want to see it. These two. And I can't wait to style these because I feel like it'll be so easy to style and pair with. Like, it'll literally match anything. And maybe I'll insert like a few photos of me wearing it with like with sweat and with like skinny jeans or even like shorts. Yeah, I can't wait to get out of quarantine so I can wear this somewhere. I don't even know why I got these because we are in quarantine and it's not like I can go anywhere. But I was on rodeo that day and I just really wanted to get something. But I'm really happy with these. And I don't know why, but right here it has these little holes. I'm not really sure what the point of is for this. Can you guys see it? Maybe it's just like another little detail that they wanted to add, but like it's not like your foot's gonna breathe from this, right? Kind of odd, but it is mesh. Also, they have a little tab right here, which I think is really cool. And like with my nails, I usually have to put like my finger in this hole in order to like pull the shoe up like through my socks and my foot and everything. So I'm really glad that they have this little cute little tab back here. Yeah, so just be aware of like the size that you get and like what you wear it with, I guess, because it may hurt your feet, like depending where you go to wear these. I probably wouldn't wear these all day, like just in case. 1, it gets dirty. 2, it hurts my feet. 3, such a high-end item that I don't really want to wear it too long outside, just in case like somebody tries to like steal these shoes off my foot. You know what happens? I don't know. You know what? We all deserve it sometimes, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of these sneakers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!